Hello everyone and welcome back to ZakLiT educational channel. So in this video we are going to continue the preparations for the RSPCB previous year's questions, which are also important for the UGC NET examination. So get ready with your notes so that you can write down the important points and the correct answer which we are going to discuss in this video. So without much delay, let's start today's video. So these are the questions which are on your screen which came in the previous year's examination. And I would like to suggest you, if you haven't watched the previous videos related to this playlist, the link is provided in the I button as well as in the description below, so you can watch all the videos and prepare well for the exam. So question number 26, because you have already completed first 25 questions for this year's RSPCB, that is 2021 year, we are doing the previous year's question. Now question number 26. Which of the following statements is false? So the statements are, let us read. Frost is likely if the air is cooled to its below freezing dew point. Adding water vapor to the air increases the dew point temperature. Water evaporates when air is cooled to its dew point. Or a high value of relative humidity implies a low temperature dew point spread. So here the wrong statement it is asking, the wrong statement is, I will let you know, option C, that is statement C is wrong. Water evaporates when air is cooled to its dew point is the false statement. These three statements are correct. You should note down, because adding water vapor to the air increases the dew point temperature, that is correct. Frost is likely if the air is cooled to its below freezing dew point, this is also correct. And a high value of relative humidity, that implies low temperature dew point spread. So even if you don't know all this concept, just note down all this statement and remember this thing. Coming to the next question. Next question is, Gulf of Mannar, which is a very important biosphere reserve in India, it is located in which of the following state? And here the correct option will be option number A, it is located in Tamil Nadu. Coming to the next question, question number 28. According to the current EIA notification in India, that is Environmental Impact Assessment notification in India, how many stages are involved in granting environmental clearance? So how many stages are involved? So these are 4 stages. Option B will be correct. What are these stages? Screening stage, scoping stage, public hearing stage and appraisal stage. So you can remember SSPA, screening, scoping, public hearing and appraisal stage are the 4 important stages involved in granting environmental clearance as per the current EIA notification. Coming to the next question, it is from the wastewater treatment. Yes, one of the very important and frequently asked concept from this topic. The question is, most often wastewater treatment plants are based on activated sludge process, which are also called as ASP in short form. There are several modifications proposed in the process. Which of the following is not a modification of ASP? So ASP means activated sludge process, which is not a modification. So for that we should know what are the modification process in the wastewater treatment plant, that is for the activated sludge process. They are contact stabilization. This is a kind of modification process in the activated sludge process. Extended aeration. So option C is also a kind of modification of ASP. And also sequencing batch reactor. So these 3 are the modification step in the ASP. But upflow anaerobic sludge blanket, it is not a modification of activated sludge process for the wastewater treatment plant. So option B will be the correct answer, that is, it is not a modification of ASP. So option B will be correct. Let's move on to the next set of questions. Question number 30. Question number 30 is, at what concentration in parts per million is nitrogen present in the atmosphere? So we all know that in atmosphere approximately 78% approximately is the concentration of nitrogen. So we all know that, but it is asking here in parts per million. So if it is asking in parts per million, the correct answer will be 7,80,000, or it is close to 7,80,840. So option A will be the correct option. Coming to the next question, question 31. In environmental impact assessment, the full form of CEQ is what? So the full form of CEQ in EIA is Council on Environmental Quality. So here option number B will be correct. Next question, which of the following cation does not cause hardness? So this hardness is not hardness of rock. So it is asking about hardness of water. Yes, temporary hardness, permanent hardness, we all know that. So here, which is not causing the hardness? Before that, we should know what are the ions which are causing the hardness of water, and they are strontium. It is there. Yes, for some of you it will be for the first time you will be knowing that strontium is causing the hardness of water. Yes, it is one of the ions causing the hardness of water. Manganese causes the hardness of water. Calcium also causes the hardness of water, one of the major cations. But sodium ions are not responsible for causing the hardness of water. So option D will be the correct option, that this does not cause the hardness of water, that is sodium cations. Coming to the next question, let us create this question. So here, after cleaning that, which wetlands of India are registered under the Montreux record? So the Montreux record, you should know, they are the wetland of international importance, undergoing or already undergone or will undergo ecological character changes due to the anthropogenic impact, pollution and industrial things. So these are the wetlands which are under the Montreux record. So which are the wetlands? Here the option number D will be correct. Keolado National Park and Loktak Lake, they are the wetlands in India which are registered under the Montreux record. The Keolado National Park, it is situated in Rajasthan, and Loktak Lake is situated in Manipur. We should note down. Coming to the next question, question number 34. It is from the BOD question. So here question number 34, I will tell you that the question is for estimating BOD of a sewage sample in laboratory. 1% solution of the sewage sample was prepared, which was incubated for 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius. So it is 5 days BOD calculation. So after 5 days, if reduction in the dissolved oxygen was milligram per liter, how much milligram per liter? Let us zoom out a bit. Yes, it is showing 3 milligram per liter was the reduction in the dissolved oxygen. What is the value of BOD of the sample? So here, what will be the correct option? I will tell you. So here dilution factor, first we have to find out. Dilution factor is equal to 100 divided by the percentage of solution. So here the percentage of solution is 1%. So we are calculating first the dilution factor. 100 by the percentage of the solution, that is 1, that is equal to 100 is the dilution factor. Now what we have to do? Depletion of oxygen. So how much is the depletion of oxygen? We should note down the dissolved oxygen initial minus dissolved oxygen final. So here what we will get? We will get as, it is reduced to 3 milligram per liter. It is given already. So it is 3. DOI minus DOF, that is the depletion of oxygen, is given as 3. Now we will calculate the BOD after 5 days. So BOD after 5 days, the formula is what? It is equal to depletion of oxygen, which we already know, that is 3. Depletion of oxygen multiplied by dilution factor, it is how much? It is 100. We already calculated. So 3 into 100 is equal to 300. So option number C will be correct, 300 milligram per liter. I hope you are noting down all this thing. Let's move on to the next question. Which state is considered as the cleanest state as per the Swachh Survekshan of 2020? So this question is for the 2020, and here the correct option will be what? So now we will know that which is the cleanest state as per 2021 and 2022. This thing we should not remember. For 2020 question will be not coming. So for the year 2021 and 2022, Madhya Pradesh is the cleanest state as per the Swachh Survekshan. This you should note down. This question you should know that. Coming to the next question, question number 36. Which of the following is the nodal agency in the country for the United Nations Environment Program? UNEP का nodal agency हमारे देश में कौन है? So the correct option will be MOEF and CC, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It is the nodal agency for the United Nations Environment Program in our country. Let's move on to the next question. Again coming from the hardness of water. Yes, the question is which of the following statements is wrong regarding the permanent hardness? So here I will tell you, calcium and magnesium, their sulfates and chlorides, they cause the permanent hardness, and carbonates and bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, they cause the temporary hardness. So let me repeat again. Carbonates and bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, they cause the temporary hardness. Sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium, they cause the permanent hardness. So here I will tell you which are the correct statement here before telling the wrong statement. It is due to the presence of sulfate, chlorides and nitrates of calcium and magnesium. It is correct. Regarding the permanent hardness, it cannot be removed by boiling. It is also correct. We can't remove the hardness of water, permanent hardness, due to the boiling. It requires special methods of water softening to get removed. It is also correct. But this statement is wrong, that is, it is also called as carbonate hardness. No, temporary hardness is called as the carbonate hardness because it is caused due to carbonates and bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. I hope you are understanding. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Let's move to the next question. Next question from the PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. Type 3 polyvinyl chloride plastic is commonly found in what kind of items? Is it in the soft drinks and water bottles, food packaging, shopping bags or irrigation pipes? So here the correct option will be what? It will be option number C. In irrigation pipe we find type 3 type of polyvinyl chloride plastic. Next question is question number 39. So we will see here, if in a particulate control system particulate matter 2.5 to particulate matter 10 ratio jumped from 0.5 to 0.7, it implies what? So it implies what? So here what happens is, it jumped from, that is the particulate matter 2.5, it jumped from 0.5 to 0.7. That means the particulate matter 2.5 value increases. So this is the thing. Yes. So if it increases, that means it is the case of the fraction of coarse particle is removed. So here fine particle are increasing. Fine particle are 2.5. So they are increasing, but coarse particle are removed. So that means option C is correct. A larger fraction of coarse particle is removed. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 40. Windrose diagram is graphical representation of which meteorological parameter? So this is the parameter showing the wind direction, wind speed and calm duration. So here option D will be correct. Wind direction, wind speed and calm percentage. Sorry, not calm duration, it is calm percentage. So these three are shown in the windrose diagram in the meteorological parameter. Let's move on to the next question. Question 41. Global warming means an increase in the average temperature of what? Very easy. Earth's surface temperature. Yes, option C will be the correct option. Question 42. Which Indian American citizen has been chosen by the Times magazine as Kid of the Year 2020? This is also from the general knowledge of 2020, but you should know it is Geetanjali Rao. Question 43. For the formation of photochemical smog, we need what? Yes, one of the very frequently asked concept, photochemical smog. We need hydrocarbons, nitric oxide and sunlight. So these are the three important things required for the photochemical smog, which are very, very dangerous. Coming to question 44. Gas leaked in Bhopal gas tragedy was what? We all know it was methyl isocyanate, causing the death of lot of people. It was a very, very disastrous thing which took place in the year what? You have to comment me in the comment section in which year Bhopal gas tragedy took place. Coming to the next question, question 45. Question 45 is sludge retention time of conventional activated sludge process is of how many days? So it is of 5 to 15 days is the sludge retention time for the conventional activated sludge. Question 46. What is the value of atmospheric dry adiabatic lapse rate in Kelvin per kilometer? So it is option number C, 10 Kelvin per kilometer. That means what? That means if we go up for 1 kilometer, then 10 degree Kelvin will be reduced. Yes, option number C will be the correct option. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 47. Nitrification is conversion of dash to dash. Yes, it is from the nitrogen cycle. Very, very important cycle. I am repeatedly saying. If you want to know the nitrogen cycle in depth with a very good diagram, you can watch this video in the link provided in the I button. So hurry up if you haven't watched that. And here correct option of 47 question is question number option B. The nitrification is the process in which ammonia is converted into nitrate. Yes. Question 48. Which district of Rajasthan is known for mica mixed hematite iron ore? So here it will be option number A, Bhilwara district of Rajasthan. Question 49. In which year the EI notification was published for the first time in India? So it was published in the year 1994. Yes, AI notification first published in India in 1994. Coming to the question 50, we are moving towards the half century. What is the inertial method used to measure size of aerosol particles? So aerosol particle, in order to measure their size, which is the method? Inertial measurements, use of inertia is done. So here particle acceleration method will be the method to measure the size of aerosol particle in the inertial method. So these were the questions which we discussed from the previous year's RSPCB examination. I hope you have noted down the important points. So don't forget to subscribe the channel to get all further updates and prepare for the environmental science entrances. All the very best to everyone. Keep smiling and believe in yourself.